Hi.
Today we're going to show you how to make a buttonhole twist thread. So the thread that we like to use for making buttonhole twist thread is either a silk thread. Here we have one that Archer brought back from Armenia maybe 30 years ago. Still good. And here's Gutermann silk thread. And then these are two polyester threads that we sell them in our store. They're called Gabor 60, and they're a polyester thread that has a silk-like look. So we'll use this to make a buttonhole thread.
Yeah, we're gonna use a red one.
Because it's good.
Let's do it. So how are we gonna start? We're gonna take the thread and put it over this some kind of hook, like
So
this.
a hook, or even if you have something that's not hook-like, you can wrap it around and then cut it at the end.
Yeah. So then make it double and hold it like this. And again, one more time. So you'll need to take about 60 inches long. I'll cut it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna divide by 2. One I'm gonna keep in my mouth, like this.
And the other one he's going to hold in his hands.
And I'm gonna twist it.
He twists it always in the same direction right now. So you can see his right hand is going up, his left hand is going down.
Like this. Like that.
He's doing this about 12 to 15 times.
And then I'm gonna switch it.
Now he takes the one he just twisted and puts it in holds it in his mouth. And now he twists the other one again in the same direction. So right hand's going up, left hand's going down, for example.
That's enough. Then I'm gonna pull it together and twist it to the other side, like that.
Yeah, so now right hand's going down, left hand's going up, with all 4 threads together.
Yeah. So if you'll do this extra, don't worry. So what's gonna happen? I'm gonna take away the thread and just release. That's it. And thread is ready. You wanna see it?
Yeah, we want to see it. Beautiful.
Now I'm gonna show you something unusual, buttonhole with 2 different colors. Let's use yellow one and red one. So first, I'm gonna cut yellow one. So, like for buttonholes, like for example, size number 36, you will need about 60 inches double thread. And then I'm gonna cut red one.
Now, I'll tell you, we've never tried making a buttonhole with 2 colors. Archer just was thinking about making this video, and he's like, why not try a buttonhole with 2 colors?
Yeah,
So,
something
we'll see.
unusual.
We'll see. We're just showing.
Let's twist it again.
That's how innovation begins.
Yeah, you can explain again, Tom.
You have anything else to tell us, Archer?
Okay, let's stop right now. So it's about 12, 15 times.
Yeah, I guess same as last time. You twisted about 12 or 15 times in the same direction with each set of 2 threads to begin with.
Then the other one, our red one.
So in this case, his right hand is going up.
Mhm.
And now
Then you're gonna put together like this and do it
right hand down.
different direction. Now this way. That's enough. Let's take away from here. Down. This way. So, if you'll twist it more,
Yeah, you notice the last time that we did that, the thread really went and like seized up at the end because Archer twisted it more. This one jumped up less because it wasn't twisted quite as much.
Yeah.
So the more times that you twist it, the tighter the twist will
yeah,
be.
like this.
So here. Yeah. All right.
Right. Thank you for watching. Bye.